Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eggless French toast. You can easily enjoy this classic breakfast without any eggs. The secret lies in using a simple substitute like cornstarch or custard powder. This ingredient helps thicken your batter, ensuring it coats the bread beautifully. It also contributes to that desirable crispy outside and soft, custardy inside. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of thick-cut bread. Slightly stale bread works best. For the batter, prepare 1 cup of your preferred milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or custard powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a dash of cinnamon for flavor. Finally, have 4 to 5 teaspoons of butter ready for the pan. First, whisk together the milk, cornstarch, sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon in a shallow bowl until completely smooth. Remember to stir the mixture before each dip, as the cornstarch can settle. Gently dip each bread slice into the batter, coating both sides evenly but quickly to prevent sogginess. Then, melt about 1/2 teaspoon of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Cook each slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and delicious. Your delicious eggless French toast is now ready to enjoy. For a classic touch, drizzle generously with pure maple syrup or a bit of honey. You can also elevate your breakfast with fresh toppings like juicy berries, sliced bananas, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. This simple, satisfying dish is perfect for a special weekend brunch or a quick weekday treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.